In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a listing on Facebook Marketplace using Google to streamline your process. If you've been thinking about selling items but haven't quite known where to begin, this guide is for you. Now, let's get started. First things first, we'll begin by navigating over to Facebook Marketplace. To do this, head over to your preferred web browser and type in Facebook Marketplace in the Google search bar. This search will take you directly to the page you need. Click on that first link to enter the marketplace. If you're already logged into your Facebook account, you should be able to dive right in. If not, make sure you're logged in to access all the features. Once you're in the Facebook Marketplace, you'll want to locate and click on the Create New Listing button. This option will be prominently displayed and is your first step in creating your very own listing. Keep in mind that setting up an attractive and informative listing can be the difference between a quick sale and a languishing product, so attention to detail is key. Now, you're prompted to select the type of listing you wish to create. Choose Item for Sale. This is specifically tailored for individual items you want to sell, as opposed to, say, a job listing or a property for rent. After you select Item for Sale, the next step is to add some photos of your item. Facebook allows you to upload multiple images, so take advantage of this feature. Ensure your images are clear and highlight the features of your item. A variety of angles can be quite beneficial to potential buyers. Following your image upload, it's time to give your item a memorable title. Make sure your title is descriptive yet concise to capture immediate interest. This will help in drawing in potential buyers who are browsing through numerous listings. Next, you'll input your item's price. It's crucial to research similar items in the marketplace to competitively price your product. Overpricing can deter interest, while underpricing might not accurately reflect your item's value. After setting the price, you will be selecting the category. For this walkthrough, let's go with miscellaneous. This category suits items that don't exactly fit in other more defined categories. When it comes to condition, you can select options like used, like new. Be honest about the condition of your item, as transparency fosters trust and encourages buyer interest. Now that your information is in place, click on the next button. You're almost done. This will guide you through a quick review of your listing details. Ensure that everything reads well and that all the necessary information is clear. Correct any typos and verify the accuracy of your item's description, price, and condition. Finally, the last step is to publish your listing. With one final click, your item will be live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to reach potential buyers. All that's left now is to sit back and wait for interested parties to reach out, and there you have it. Listing on Facebook Marketplace made simple and efficient.